And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
Good Tuesday morning to you. If you're just joining us, the time is 6:42. It looks like we're off to a pretty nice start to the day, especially when you compare it to the hot and humid conditions we'll see this afternoon. So enjoy 75 degrees in Roma Creek and Port Mansfield this morning. It's 80 right around San Juan, 79 for you in Rio Hondo. So a little warm, a little humid, but overall not a bad start to the day, especially when you take a look at the morning sky. Let's take a look here, courtesy of Sky 5 in Weslaco, and you see that the sky is just beautiful this morning. Light pastels out there on the horizon, and you also see a few clouds out there which will continue to build up throughout the rest of the day, along with a few showers. Now let's go back to the map here, and we're tracking some rain. I'm going to show you where in just a minute, but right now we're looking at Hidalgo and Starr County in the clear. Not any rain there, but you zoom over to the coast, and that's where a lot of the activity is this morning. But we've just been dealing with a few passing showers, mainly streaming to the north, passing over the Port Mansfield area this morning, but really nothing too bad to contend with. Just a little bit of slick roads out there, and the same thing goes for South Padre Island. There have been times where some of the rain that passes by could be a little heavy, but it's been very brief this morning. Future track indicates we could still see a few more showers develop along the coast and in the lower valley this morning. But as the clock rolls around into the afternoon, there we go, 1, 2, 3 o'clock this afternoon, you start to see showers, and even maybe a few thunderstorms are possible for the mid to upper valley. And look at that. Some of those pockets of rain could be heavy, producing anywhere between 1 and 3 inches of rain, but those are very isolated cells. By about 5 or 6 o'clock, a lot of this activity will start to wind down, and we're looking at partly cloudy skies later on this evening. We're going to continue to see rain chances decline after today. So isolated to scattered stuff with a 60% chance for rain today, going down to 40% by tomorrow. By Thursday, even less, near 30%, and will continue to go down for the weekend. As we take away those rain chances, we're going to increase the sunshine. So as that happens, of course, the heat goes back up. We'll be up near 92 today, 94, 95, more average-like heat for this time of year. Not breaking any records, but it will feel like the triple digits out there because of that continued high humidity. Now, as we take a look at your weekend forecast, we do have a small chance for a shower, mainly on Saturday at 20%, going back to mainly dry conditions by Sunday. Upper level disturbance closer to the Houston coast, kind of extending down here, will begin to fade away by the end of the work week. And as it fades away, so do our rain chances this weekend, so it doesn't look too shabby. We are tracking the tropics on Channel 5 News this morning. We'll take a look at the African coast. Everything is in the clear right now, but we are expecting a tropical wave to develop there over the next 5 days or so. It'll start to make its way west, but for now, that's just something to kind of keep in the back of our mind. It's still far out. In the Gulf, we're nice and quiet, but we still have Hurricane Dora on the other side in the Pacific. So we're looking at the west coast or southwest coast of Mexico. This particular storm will continue to make its way west-northwest at about 12 miles per hour. Pretty slow moving storm, and it is expected to continue to downgrade to a tropical storm status by later on to this evening or going into tomorrow. It will stay south of Cabo San Lucas. However, the shore will be dealing with some rough surf out there, and overall the system will continue to downgrade back to a tropical depression by either late Wednesday or even going into early Thursday. Along our own coast, really no major things to contend with other than a moderate chop building on the bay. Seas will average 1 to 4 feet. Fishermen, your high tide is at 8:36 this morning, but keep in mind there will be passing showers and thunderstorms to contend with. High temperatures at the coast today, 86 degrees. The farther inland you go, the warmer it gets. We'll be at 90 in Brownsville to 92 in Raymondville and Harlingen. Going west on I-2 into Weslaco will take you to 92 degrees, 94 in Edinburgh to 95 in McAllen and Rio Grande City. Here's a look at your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. Tonight, 76 will be your low. Back to 94 tomorrow, but keep in mind an isolated shower or thunderstorm is possible. And then you head into Thursday, we're looking at maybe a shower, but overall breezy, hot and humid conditions really settle in, especially as we remove those rain chances even more as we head into the weekend. Will be possibly a shower on Saturday, but then back to mainly dry conditions for Sunday and Monday, with temperatures headed to 97 on Saturday, Sunday. By Monday, close to that triple-digit mark with 99 in the forecast. Overnight lows will stay in the mid to upper 70s and low 80s for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.